Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today is the first video in my salad dressing series, and we're making one of my favorite dressings, honey mustard salad dressing. It's creamy, sweet, tangy, and incredibly easy to make. With just a few simple ingredients, you can transform an ordinary salad into a fresh and flavorful meal that tastes like it came from a restaurant. If you love healthy recipes made with fresh ingredients, be sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our vegetables. Dice the cucumber into small, bite-sized pieces. Now cut the apple into small cubes. Now let's make the honey mustard dressing. Honey adds natural sweetness, making the dressing delicious without using refined sugar. In a small bowl, add mayonnaise, honey, yellow mustard, fresh lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice adds a bright, refreshing flavor and balances the richness of the dressing. A drizzle of olive oil makes the dressing smoother and even more flavorful. Ground black pepper. A pinch of salt. Whisk everything together until the dressing becomes smooth, creamy, and silky. Each ingredient has an important role. The mayonnaise creates a rich and creamy texture. The honey adds a gentle, natural sweetness. Yellow mustard gives the dressing its signature flavor with a mild tang. Fresh lemon juice brightens the dressing and balances the richness. Salt enhances all the flavors, while freshly ground black pepper adds a gentle warmth and aroma. Once the dressing is ready, pour it evenly over the salad. Gently toss everything together until every piece of cucumber, carrot, apple, and every leaf of purple microgreens is lightly coated with the creamy dressing. The result is colorful, fresh, and absolutely delicious. This honey mustard dressing is incredibly versatile. It pairs perfectly with green salads, grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, sandwiches, wraps, and even as a dipping sauce for fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables are naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. They help support digestion, provide essential nutrients, and make it easier to enjoy a balanced diet every day. Making your own salad dressing at home also lets you control the ingredients and adjust the sweetness, tanginess, and seasoning to suit your own taste. Simple recipes like this prove that healthy food can be easy, colorful, and full of flavor. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next recipe in my salad dressing series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.